you do for what I am, and not for what you want that I should be. Because the love that limits is a shame, and love is real when it sets us free. So let's make a covenant, me and you. So let's make a covenant, me and you. Love me as I am, and I will too. Oh, love me as I am, and I will too. You're free to suck the honey from the flowers, like the butterflies and the bees, for endless mating and indulgent hours, flying fleetingly amid plants and trees. So let's make a covenant, me and you. So let's make a covenant, me and you. Love me as I am, and I will too. Oh, love me as I am, and I will too. To feed themselves and help in pollination, with nary much at all or causing pain. True players in the wonder of creation, from what they get sustains, they sustain. So let's make a covenant, me and you. So let's make a covenant,